Fees are an important topic to most people, understandably, unless you're very rich, and you probably didn't get very rich by not caring about things like fees anyway. We believe in keeping fees fair. We don't aim to be the cheapest in the market. We're usually pretty reasonably priced, but not necessarily the cheapest, because at the end of the day it's very important to get the quality of service that you need, rather than just a cut to the bone service where nobody can be bothered to speak to you or answer your questions. Hopefully we always will, and you'll be able to deal with a designated person who will know your case backwards. We can in some cases offer fixed fees, but in general terms it's quite difficult to know precisely what is going to be required for a case until you've had a chance to actually have a look at the paperwork. Some of the things that we don't do are to charge an hourly rate and then a large percentage on top of it. We don't charge in 6-minute units, so if you make a 30-second phone call to us, if it gets charged at all, it will get charged as 30 seconds or a minute, whereas with a lot of firms it will get charged as 6 minutes. And a 6-minute 5-second call could get charged as 12 minutes. It's also not uncommon for you to be charged by the document rather than by the time. So a standard document which is attached to an email might cost you £25. If there's 2 documents attached to the email, it might cost you £50, even though it still only takes probably 2 minutes to take it, in which case we would have charged you for 2 minutes. So we hope that our fees are always fair. On some areas such as wills and lasting powers of attorney, the fees are typically fixed, but on matters like probate and so on, it can be a bit more complicated. So we like to have a look at all the paperwork, and then we can give you an indication of the fees, but you'll always get a fair crack of the whip with us. So have a chat and we'll take it from there. Thanks.